Welcome back to another Gemvision tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through installing Gemvision on Vuzix smart glasses. Because smart glasses are still quite new and the user interface might feel unfamiliar, I'll help you set things up. Before you can install Gemvision, you have to create a Vuzix App Store account, if you haven't done this already. It's actually similar to what you do with a smartphone. Get your laptop and go to the Vuzix website. Sign up, activate your account, and log in on the Vuzix website. Next up, we have to connect your pair of glasses to your account in order to install Gemvision. So, go to your account and select Devices. Click on Add New Device and scan the QR code with the scanner app on your smart glasses. Once completed, your glasses will show up under My Devices. Alright, to set up your Vuzix Blade smart glasses, Vuzix has made a thing called the Companion app. This is an application for smartphones and tablets that lets you configure your Blade smart glasses. So, get your smartphone or tablet, browse through your App Store, and look for the Vuzix Blade app. Open the Vuzix Blade app and follow the instructions until a QR code is presented. Next up, get your smart glasses and swipe to Settings. Select Connectivity and enable Bluetooth. Once completed, swipe further and select Companion Link. You'll see that this will launch the scanner. Now back to your smartphone or tablet. Scan the presented QR code with your smart glasses. When your glasses are verified, you complete the steps and select Vuzix Blade Store from the menu. Fill in your App Store credentials, look for Gemvision in the list, and press Install. This will install Gemvision, and you are ready to go. Good luck!